Okay, Storchy.
Okay. In the summer when I was 13, I had a chance to visit my great grandfather, great grandmother. She was old as a at the hills, and she could not remember clear everything at that time, even me. So I would I would stay there 1 month with my mom, and we together take care my great grandmother. At the beginning time, I did I felt it was very hard to get along with my great grandmother because she didn't listen anything from us. She wanna do everything by herself, and but the problem, yeah, but the problem is she cannot do everything by herself because she quite old and don't have enough strong to carry something, but she didn't let me or my mother have. So at the beginning time, it was very hard for us to get along with her. But after 2 weeks, we stayed together, and she, I feel she may be a little bit happy with what we did for her. Then we also have a meaningful moment with my grandmother. It was also the first time I stayed a bit long with an old person, and I also got a lot of lesson from that memory. Yeah, that's it, I think.
Very good. Okay. I have got a lesson from that memory. You can say that I learned a very valuable lesson from those moments. People use the word memory like I have good memories about my about my youth, or about my love, or about my family at a young age. But people say that learn a lesson from those past moments. We don't use learn lessons for memories. Okay, and here okay, everything is very good. You know, you can arrange your ideas in a very clear way. Okay, your ideas are a lot, and it is in a very good arrangement. I feel very great, okay, with a result like this. So here, please be careful with the pronunciation. Once again, please be careful with your pronunciation. If you want to score high, if you want to score high like IELTS 7.0 or 6.0, even 6.0, you need to have perfect pronunciation, okay? So here, once again, the second demo class is perfect. And from now on, that is tomorrow, we need to run 2 classes, okay, together in a day. So the first class, as I have informed you before, the first class is 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. And then you have like a little bit of time, like 1 hour from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Maybe you prepare ideas, or maybe you read before you study the next class with me. So 2 classes per day, 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. and then 3 p.m. And then 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. So that is our class alone, one-on-one. That is me and you study alone. And you have another class like 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. That is a class of 2 more students, and that is extra class. So it's like somehow you have 3 classes, 1 extra and 2 main classes. And I'm going to send you the schedule later today, okay, for you to keep at home. Yeah, everything is perfect. Rồi như vậy là cái khúc này them.